What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be taking a look at the Oppo A83. Well, I didn't do the unboxing cause literally thousands of YouTubers did it already. Well, I got this device a day earlier and I was just keen to check it out cause literally there were so many big ads with this huge hit on it. So I just wanted to check this out. So I got it for myself for the review, and I've been almost using it for one day and I already have a small answer for it, but that's not how a review is done. So we will be taking a look at it, but just look at the packaging. Like even the Oppo F5's box doesn't look that impressive. All the Oppo phone boxes just look same, but this 8 actually pops out if you are buying it offline. I seriously don't know why I just reviewed a box. So here is the phone. If you have seen my Oppo F5 review and if you just played that clip over here, it would just look the same because literally these phones are extremely similar, and with the color there are no differences at all. I have noticed a very good thing about this phone, that as much apps that you open, it doesn't slow down. The color OS is just snappy as hell. As this is a 720p screen, of course, there is a lot of processing power available to us. Well, let's just get to the actual specs. To be honest, let's just go to the Antutu benchmark. Score 67k, pretty good, nothing amazing for a 720p panel. Then again we have 3 gigs of RAM. 4 gigs would be better just cause specs. There are quite a lot of features over here such as split screen, gesture and motion, game acceleration, which are not at all usable to be honest in your day-to-day usage. Such as game acceleration doesn't even kick in for most of the games. Only one game that it actually used, I guess, was Temple Run. Split screen only works for few of the apps still, which is quite disappointing. But let's just try it out. I have never tried it. Wow, settings app doesn't even support. Let's just try in phone app. The stock apps just doesn't support. That's what I was talking about. Although there are features, but they are just incomplete. It looks like a custom ROM. Well, there is a face and passcode with it, which is not a huge deal. You can easily fool it. But yeah, let's just enroll our face. I have not tested it. Well, that was quicker than OnePlus. Pretty quick. Second delay, of course, it has to turn on the camera. So yeah, it's pretty quick to be honest. I mean, it's not a Bismo as Vivo V7. Also, the face unlock works. Coming to the camera UI, it's pretty much the same. You get your iOS style ripoff. You can quickly switch to the full screen. Looks pretty nice. Then again, you have 1 to 2x zoom. For the front camera, it's pretty wide angle, which I like. We have HDR, then again tilt shift. It's not a perfect portrait mode. It blurs out background pretty well, but I'm seriously not impressed with the front camera over here. For example, here is one in the broad daylight. Compared to another Oppo phones, it's not that good. Rear camera is just repeated stuff from another phones. Again, video recording is just over sharpened stuff. It looks like a cheap Chinese camera. And then there is no 4K recording over here. Like even Y1 Lite records 4K. And then we are just left out with this beautiful 720p screen. Well, for my usage, 720p was enough for me, as I own a Galaxy S8 Plus and I use it on 720p to 1080p to just preserve the battery life, cause if I put it on 2K, it would not even last like 2 hours. So this display is pretty sharp for me, to be honest. Again, your day-to-day usage, but still if you want a 1080p display, you can just go for a MI1. So yeah, that's my review for Oppo A83. It's a good handset for 14,000 rupees, but it's not meant for productivity at all. If you are a college student, if you want to click pictures, cause the front camera is just a Bismo in low light. So if you are into photography, MI1 is a far better choice. You have 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage, a Snapdragon processor, so better experience in gaming, 1080p display, faster updates. Metal finish is pretty much the same on both of them, but the paint job quality is just degrading on Oppo and Vivo. I don't know why they are doing some kind of cost cutting. So the back panel doesn't feel as premium as the older Oppo or Vivo phones, such as I can remember V5s had a very good back panel, but these ones just feel like a cheap quality aluminium. The portrait mode on the MI1 is just amazing. It's the best portrait mode you can find on any kind of phone. So yeah, definitely not a productivity device. If you want to gift it to your parents, it's a very good device. It looks beautiful in hand. The video watching experience is pretty good. Huge thanks to Tarang Mobile Collection for providing me this review in it, so I can bring this review to you guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.